You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's transfer your WhatsApp account to a new phone. First, on your old phone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then Chats and tap Chat Backup. Create a final backup to iCloud on iPhone or Google Drive on Android. Now install WhatsApp on your new phone. Open the app and verify your phone number. It must be the same number used on your old device. During setup, WhatsApp will detect the backup. Tap Restore to recover your chat history and media from the cloud. Wait for the process to complete. It may take time depending on backup size. Do not uninstall WhatsApp from your old phone until the restore is fully finished on the new one. Your account will automatically deactivate on the old device once the new one is active. For extra security, you can enable two-step verification in WhatsApp settings before transferring all. Your messages, groups, and settings will now be on your new phone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.